Hi, this is Parajames Decoder. I am Parag. Today we are going to discuss the tuple. What are the tuple? Tuple is the data structure in Python. As we have discussed before, the list, string. Similarly, tuple is one of the data structure. Inside tuple, it is same as a list except it's immutable. When we represent group of elements and we can't change its elements, order is always preserved. Features. First is the order preserved. Second is the duplicates are allowed. Third is the heterogeneous elements are allowed. Means the strings, integers are simultaneously allowed in tuple. Static data structure, immutable, indexing, positive indexing and negative indexing is allowed. So let's discuss ahead in detail. So here we can see we have assigned t is equal to 10, 20, 30 and we have checked here the type of t. Okay, as we know syntax t is equal to in parenthesis 10, 20, 30. This is the basic syntax of the tuple and this is the checking of what is the type of this t now. Okay, so let's run this. We got here tuple. Let's change some element 40 comma 50. We will add some elements. Again we will check. This is the tuple. Let's restart the kernel. So output will be cleared. Okay, now we can see here another tuple is assigned to the t1. t1 is equal to 10. Concentrate in this cell. t1 is equal to 10. What will be the type? Let's run. It's int, means the integer. Why this is int now? Because the single element given in tuple. This is the exceptional kind of the thing in the tuple. Remember this always. If you will pass the single element, you will get sorry, you will get it. You will get this as int. In next cell, let's discuss here. t2 is equal to 10 comma empty space. See here nothing is given, only the comma is given and parenthesis closed. So here we can see t2 is assigned to the 10 and comma. What will be the type of t2? Let's run this. So this is the tuple. Now you will ask me, here we given only one element, here we got a type as int, and here we given the 10 and comma, we got type as tuple. Why? Because this is the syntax of the tuple. When you have to give the single element into tuple, you just need to give the comma. When you will go for the project level coding, there when you want to keep a single value tuple, at that time you will need this kind of technique and this kind of syntax. So keep in mind, this is very important. Next, what is the empty tuple? Let's discuss empty tuple. So let's create new cell. Copy this. T3 is equal to empty parenthesis given. What do you think? What will be the type of this T3? Let's run this cell. We will get tuple here. Can you see this? We got the tuple here. Why? This is the syntax for the empty tuple. When you have to start adding the element into this tuple in future, adding means if you have to keep the tuple empty, this is the syntax. Okay? Next, as we can see here, list 1 2 3 is given. When you will run this cell, and this the list type will be the list. Okay, this is the syntax. Why I am showing this syntax? Because now we are discussing the typecasting. So what is the typecasting? Suppose this list lst123, we want to convert into the tuple, then the syntax will be t, suppose our new variable is equal to tuple parenthesis, inside parenthesis lst we will pass. So in this way we will get the tuple typecasted, means this list lst will be typecasted into tuple. How? See, let's run this cell. After the checking the type of this t, means this t, we get the class tuple. Don't get confused. I will repeat again. What is the typecasting? Suppose here list is now 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5. This is the list. Now this is the checking the type. See, we got the list. Now we have to convert this list into the tuple again. Suppose t2 is the variable we have created, and we will pass this to the tuple. So this is the syntax for the typecasting, and inside this parenthesis we will pass this lst. Now when we will see the what is t2, type of t2, we will get this as tuple. Let's run one by one. This is the assignment of t2 as a tuple list. Now we will see what is the t2 now. Run its tuple. And what is inside t2? This is the all the elements from the list. Can you see? So this list is get converted into tuple. Now how we can again convert this into list? Simple. Just in next cell, just we have to give the t2 equal to, we are assigning again same variable. Okay, there is no problem. t2 is equal to list, and we will pass t2, this t2 which is tuple. Now when we will pass to this syntax, what will we get? The value of t2 is c square bracket, and it is now become list. Let's check the type. After running this cell, type of t2, we will get list. Okay, so in this way we got the typecasting of the tuple. Next, let's assign t is equal to one tuple 5 6 7 8 9 10 9. Let's add one more element 10. Now we will check the indexing and slicing. When we will check the t of -1 position, so we should get the last element. When we will check t of 0 position, so we should get the 0th index element, means 5. When we will check t of 4, we should get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, means 9. Let's check what is -1. T of -1, we got the, sorry, we did not run this cell. Okay, this is the, now we run this cell. Now we will check -1, this will be 10. See, I am running this cell, 10. Now I am running this cell. See, this t of 0, this is 5, right? The starting index 0. As we know, the indexing in Python, it starts from the 0. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. As we have discussed the indexing in previous lecture in detail, we are not deep diving into that. Now see the t of 4, it's 9. See, now see the t of -1 we have seen. Let's check the t of -2, what will it return? Yeah, obviously this will return the 9. Let's run this t of -2. See, 9. Now we will see the slicing of 2 colon 4. What do you think? What will this return? As we know, inside this tuple, let's check slicing t of 2 colon 4. So this should return us the second element and third element, because in this method this fourth element is not getting generated. We are getting one less element. We will get 0th position is 5, first position is 6, second position is 7. So for this 2, we will get this second position. Okay, means due to this 2, we will get 0, 1, second position, 2, 3 and 4. As the one less, so the 4 minus 1, 3. So third position we will get this number. Okay, let's see. After running this cell, what we get? See, 7 and 8. Okay, in this way slicing takes place. Suppose 0 colon 4. Then from the 5, 6, 7, 8, these numbers we will get. See, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose we put the 6 here, then we will get all the numbers from 0 to 6. 5, fifth index. Okay, so you can say 0, 1.